What's up guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we have an awesome outdoor system to show you guys. If you saw one of our previous videos, we went over the initial products of those pieces that we've installed today, but today we're going to show you the installation. We've already put the speakers in the ground, we've already ran all the wire, but let's just walk you guys through it. So as we move forward, we're going to show you how we place everything. The important thing when doing an outdoor audio space is knowing where the seating areas are, where you're going to be listening to the music the most, because you want to make all the audio consistent as you can around the entire space. So knowing all that helps figure out how many speakers, how many subs, and then of course also knowing the performance levels that someone's looking for. So in this particular system, we have 6 speakers. They're all 6-inch speakers. We have one actually down right there. This is the beachfront walk-in on this side of the yard. So we have one kind of aiming towards that. So if someone's laying out in the pool, they're going to get some music right there at them, which is super awesome. And then as we move forward, keeping going around the pool, because again, we're trying to cover as much space as possible. So we have 4 speakers in this main fire bed, 2 speakers on the far fire bed. So in this upper area, there's gonna be some more seating up here behind the waterfalls, aiming towards the middle of the pool. So we have a satellite speaker over here. And if you look at our previous video, shows that we did the 19-inch stakes. These are the stakes that you can do all the connections inside the stake, which is super nice, super clean. And then of course, after the installation, it's really neat that you can adjust the speaker up and down, left and right, so you can aim the audio exactly where you want it. Now, just to the right of that is the subwoofer. In this system, we just have one. A lot of systems we use more than one, but this is the 12-inch sub from Sonance. So we're running the sub in 8 ohms, and all the sats are in 70 volt. We have those all tapped at 60 watts, but just this one sub we placed more towards the corner because we wanted to be able to get as much bass output throughout the entire yard and be hidden towards the back, so we can still put plants and other stuff in front of it, so it's kind of hidden. But it's really nice because you barely notice it's there. It blends in with the stone. It's got kind of the same color brown as the stone and the rocks in the ground. But moving right, we have another satellite speaker. It's aimed more towards the middle of the pool area, because again, we're trying to be consistent with the audio walking around. A lot of the issues that people have today are things that they do wrong when they're planning audio around the pool. They don't put enough speakers, because if you have plenty of speakers adding coverage, you'll get plenty of volume, and it'll be enjoyable to listen to at all volume levels. You don't want to always have to crank it for it to be sounding good. So, and as we move forward more around the pool, is giving us our 4th speaker, I believe, going on the back side of the pool. So each of those speakers are aimed at the other side of the pool. One is going to be the hot tub, and one is the other in or other corner of the pool. So going around the entire back side of the pool and aiming towards the house, we're getting great coverage for all the speakers, because underneath the patio, we already have plenty of speakers in the ceiling for the patio zones, the kitchen patio, the main patio. So this is giving us audio just around the pool. So if you're out here having a big party, lounging out, hanging out, using a hot tub, you're gonna get great audio the entire time in any area. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video. I wanted to show you what a consistent audio looks like. I wish I could play it so you can hear it for yourselves, but of course through my microphone and the speakers of your mobile device watching it, it's probably not going to represent it very well. But believe me, it does sound great. Having plenty of speakers to cover the space, some nice bass, so no matter what music you listen to, it's going to sound super awesome. So, if you guys, any questions, comments, leave them in the section down below. And until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. See ya.